In a world where most people are fake, being real is the only advantage you actually have left, especially in real estate. This industry is full of noise, and the only way to cut through it is by being your most authentic self. And that's why in this video, I'm going to share why being your most authentic self is the best way to beat your competitors. Everything is getting more automated. Groceries, electronics, cars to your door, but real estate is still face to face. Still personal, still built on trust. And that is where most agents mess up. They try to show up online as a character, they try to look perfect, they act as everything is always great, and they pretend instead of being themselves. Clients feel that, and people can sense when someone is pretending. And that is why in a sea of fake agents and fake success, nothing stands out. Nothing sticks. Your authenticity is your biggest competitive edge. Your real self is the only thing that AI cannot replace. You are the product, you are the USP. And the only way to differentiate yourself in today's market is to build a personal brand online that shows who you actually are. Not the polished version, not presenter mode, the real you. And the biggest shift happened for me when I stopped pretending everything was perfect. When I started to share how life actually is being a real estate agent. You know, when you have 0 people stopping by at an open house, when you have weeks or even months when you sell 0 apartments. What happened is that people started to resonate with that. And people just started to love seeing how life really looks like of being a real estate agent, and especially other real estate agents really just felt the connection with me sharing how life actually is. And so many other agents out there that are resonating with, they have felt the same as well. So for me, it was such a big eye-opening moment when I just, pulled away the curtains and showed, who am I on a deeper level. And I was no longer afraid of showing how my life really looks like. I did not just show the sunshine and the rainbows. I actually start to show a lot when the rain is pouring outside and the storm as well. So I think this is something that really made me magnetic, and it's something that is super, super powerful. And I just feel that my personal brand just grow so much faster when I started to show the most authentic self of myself, and when I just didn't show a version of myself that was just not the reality. And here's the truth: if you want to become the obvious choice, your clients need to know you, not the version you think you should be, not the version you hope will impress people, your real self. That is what builds connection. Connection builds trust, and trust builds business. So start showing who you are, show the good weeks and the slow ones, show the reality. Let people build a real connection with you, because being your full self is your biggest advantage as a real estate agent, and it always will be. Make sure to watch this video so you don't keep using social media in the wrong way as a real estate agent.